The Guyson RB12 robot-controlled blast cabinet with auto-loading and unloading to parts conveyor. This fully automated robotic machine has 100% blast coverage of the part. This is possible with our two-function blast process, featuring a grip and regrip. When the process is finished, the robot places the blasted part onto the belt. Traveling the length of the conveyor, the parts move on to the next manufacturing stage. An electric eye light beam stops the belt if the product is not removed before the end of the conveyor. SureGrip custom part fixtures and robot grippers. Guyson creates custom-designed part fixtures for our loading trays, ensuring an exact location and a secure position for the robot grip to pick up. We engineer and 3D print our robot grippers for precise and consistent alignment with the blasting gun. The SureGrip design is built to the product form, ensuring no movement during the blast process. The Guyson SureGrip fixtures enable precise product placement and movement, like the 100% coverage robotic regrip maneuver. The RB12 robotic blast system is a high-capacity multi-part blasting machine. This means that when there is a part change in the blasting process, the robotic custom grippers must be changed also. Guyson makes this process as simple as the press of a button. Just press the outside release mechanism, then pull and replace the gripper, and you're ready to go. Guyson, delivering value and performance beyond expectations.